acting, you have to act it to make it look real. You can kill someone real, but passion no. Yes. And I do it.
Hey,
that's my favorite.
And I do it no favorite.
Yes.
Amma, watch me. Nyawan coming in walkway. Kumase, Amakum, Ube Wunia me patre. Borga Silvia pe okopa. Hey, and Nana Chia.
Nana Madia was his mind accidentally not auto back.
Auto back. A different in some.
Yeah.
Ana.
Me ma osuma ye nyina obi asu ye.
Oh.
Because say me sitian ne ma ne yam hye no. Nti what happen no su no shiki.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I have inside with me Borga Silvia Sandra Edu. Oh no. Me want to be chair. Edu nti kran to kran me ne be twetwe nkomo. I got just 2024 and your masters are song. This is celebrities is so mo bad. Open favorite celebrity who na cha me pato e kran to kran. Kesbe 93.3. Already Djka Matanase. Na awon fensu di eprano. Ay, and that's a good too. I want ye, I know you gotta say near. Oh, society, maybe, I didn't Kumuda, I didn't Kumuda, I didn't Kumuda, I dare way. I want to I didn't Kumuda, but I didn't Kumuda, I didn't Kumuda, I dare way. I want to and it's
so yeah, do. It's am person no we come.
Competition okay.
Too good.
Say oba ha na te say the ons who gina yaka action no. E ho na your office.
That's it.
And a house here in my office. So me challenge me wa. I was there for a year and come out to train say me Sandra Edu ni dimpa no. Dodo na friend Borga Silvia ni nyina ejina movie bi a otwa ya said no align say nanama McBrown Empress na edi no ema no na oba we Empress oba ga na we hu
yeah me hu no
oh okay o share da kwa akra na say mu shia wa ha
shia wo kuma say
oh okay I think say director Nyamiche
yeah epa pay
no yeah
but me kwa akra next week definitely me hu no
obe hu na nsa na oh okay. All right. Now, obedru ye yenhwe ye nyina enim de ma because Sandra do de no hye no wan kana and with the help of director Kenya Miche director Samuel Nyamiche oma oba abontia eni waba be actress a wonam ba bia ye bo ede ejo so adwuma na nkasa ma obenya din oba Christmas yi mu what you 1 or 2 things Diana?
There be me buy ankasa de me new movie.
Oh,
but
okay.
I've been doing like a lot of TikTok now.
Oh, so say TikTok na be your de oh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Na say celebrity see. Munyina is as TikTok no mo enjoy homo cra chen say de kanene obi di camera be si no kon kakraka ne asa modem phone si mo say I am da chen.
Oh no, it's two different things.
Okay.
On say TikTok here completely different from acting.
Okay.
Like it's the same, they're both under acting.
Okay.
But on say TikTok here just short AUB
video B.
Yeah, and movie is there. So now no, you know, every year or every few years there's something different. I guess being an actress, you know, when there's something different now, you just have to join the trend. You know. And I guess TikTok, you learn a lot of stuff from there.
Yeah.
You know, you see funny stuff. There's a lot of music, you know. And you may be
okay.
And, you know, it's just a thing. A trend will be a you know, you have to do it too. So
before TikTok there was
Facebook,
Instagram, Twitter,
yeah, and all that.
Bibrina, I think the tango mu nyina ba kwani ade. Ojidi say TikTok ababe boa. In terms of obi a share because ne wo hwa akola bi o share ba bia ne enim ne talent kra no na because of TikTok na.
Oh, I tell you, TikTok aboa a lot of people. What I say, because there's a lot of people out here now they have talent.
Potentials, no.
Yeah, because no nim a kwanya on faso. Encore producer be who now director be who. Now, you know, to come out. But because of TikTok no, or no one can say any phone be on say obet media scene so no yeah. But then no, because of out I've been a lot of followers and likes, you know, or baby popular. Till then from there no, director be cross where the ebit me who know.
Okay.
I know a lot of people, like for instance, Amapukia, Aso, Musa, you know, all these supply and demand. They're all from TikTok. And Omokran, I would say thank you to them because Omabo Mama make TikTok cry there. I build it up.
Oh, okay.
Bempa or your blogger. Me buy last year. I know Jamie phone. So I blogger only TikTok. And I'm saying any TikTok. You know, or Jamie phone. I know be a TikTok man.
Not also we need there.
Or mini TikTok.
So now no TikTok.
Or J and no be a TikTok man.
Okay.
You know? And then into 10 bia me bar or more bar now me no much chat and we don't edit it.
Okay.
Edit it because the channel straight here the akoto.
Nobody at all.
I bought a lot of people.
Wow.
A lot.
Wow. You made mention of Bempa, Amapukia, and your friends, Musa, demand, supply, and all that. I think that Omonon TikTok here and my
that's how I knew them.
Yeah, Oba me who say only omo abenya ayonko fa bi pa. Ube hu omo ha na say like ope omo sem free one son na Obagana.
Me share I had TikTok, right? But na me only me share keke.
We a viewer.
That's it. Na me say but na omo me pe omo sem pa amane aso.
Oh, okay.
Omo you know it was like Kumasi fie.
Wow.
You know, on say me woman Kumasi.
Yeah. Ashton 7 Kumasi 7
Ntomo ya me say eh nkola yo mo ya de o. They good. I hent me buy Bempa starting also me ma ni Musa start atwetwe bi. Oh ntimi ni Musa start ni ye nwumo de enwunu bi okra me ni tonaja o se Borga fo anu fufem ebe na you know yeah until the following week now Bempa organize Amapukia mame and then following week organize demand and supply and mame until no that's how yabe close into 10 bi omu se maba no my friend me se mabo me se Borga na ye ba me etwetwe you know
okay. You threw a party not long ago.
Yeah.
I was there, I came, I passed by and Chesena ano eden ye pa. Minim adia obeye atwa so anase we die na because minim say your mom passed away, that was last 2 years.
That's right.
And our sister so ewu last year.
That's right.
Minim say bia eno na we year.
Oh.
I don't know.
Me wo Borga Silvia Charity Foundation.
Oh, sir.
Which every year na me feed street kids.
Okay.
First January of the year. Because
but you don't talk about it.
Oh, I'm saying you may be you know, you just do and get the blessing from God. You don't need to talk about it. And Yankopon pena oye bibima like oye bibima ni hu a.
Okay.
Nya blessing from you.
Okay.
You any part destiny dey beka thank you, which is good.
Okay.
So more appreciate it. And now first Mr. Chumesi.
Chumesi.
Yes. On now oye no say Sandra. Every year no nyame ye wadom na bibi ye feed street kids. Na ye the mental mental health home na way you me refi hodino. Nti aduane ni bi ka.
Offering so kwan no so ana.
Na bi wo I think say enya ofi so kwa so. E ma na wo more mental health
Oh, okay.
Me refi hodi. Nti na ye bi ka na ye ko na feed about 1,000 kids.
Okay.
Ye fair dum. Your cockageti and your Roman Hill. But having been doing it for the past 3 years,
okay,
since I'm a mommy free, because my mommy free Christmas Day. Until Christmas 25th, I day beer. I get like you know, me missing no. I think about it until I say I can't. But then no, this year I sit down and I say no. Why don't I start it back again? Instead of going straight, you know, I'll swap it this year. Just invite people, close friends. Na nyame ayadum 3 years on 3 years on the row. I lost my mom, I lost my sister. Nyame ayadum family obi a ho anka this year. Aden na menye yenji yeni. because
yeah.
What I say, which is it every year, first Sunday of the year, no, which is going to be continuous. Say, that's.
You share any 2025 first Sunday. Say, first Sunday of every year, be a better party, no. A year to become me buy manager because industry players need be okra me who match but because of party into me buy me better to my you did in coma fine.
And it was short notice. Obu akwa that day na me friend no. Inti be brand me and baba I believe say every year bia wo ye bibia it grows. On say usa improve so something. I believe say nyame ya adma next year be improve be say more fun. Yeah. Yet me feed more people.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now your moral industry no kakra yen share for now said the nyina nim say kuma wood ye ka kuma wood that time na a cassette video cassette about CD na fe me fan say CD ni fading na fe na movie nso echo form no but now YouTube aba TikTok aba social media platforms ni bebre na aba assign aboa ma with the help of these social media platforms and then o phone now o kwotete mo fra TV wa ko hu Djka oko de GH Borga Silvia TV mo ne ade nya mu nyina amasan aba but they na bebre na can say ase egu would you say engu ye na eniema sesa na ama monso sesa mo niema no ana
there be a me interview no because say movie egu and I will never accept it because I saw say bibia sesa every year on say now no everything is on YouTube, TikTok. Last was it just before Christmas Jackson Cabenton was on set. I think there was Lewin's production.
Okay.
Of Frame, send me try 20 scenes. But any bibi bomu meant me uncle yet. And then a movie go.
Okay.
Nyameche is always on set.
Oh yeah, Juma.
Yes. But it's because and to say before no
now
on say before no now mu a far big track. No mu was so near Bonyom near the number doom. But now no they all put on YouTube. A bit to TikTok. Me who can say Nyameche the your old movies ni na air call
TikTok.
Air call YouTube.
Say enone adum bintin right?
That's it.
Okay.
Ni na wo moving go ye. It's just the fact that omunya hu dede to say before no.
Interest good.
That's it. Me come here me satire production.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nessa oba be kwa no na obe fuma ba.
Oh, send me the only time me every
and
time
to me
in and out. And I'm in Accra now, I believe some directors yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ube wajuma na obeye no ebeye old people na say ube involve omo ba ne nso mo.
Yeah, new old, ebe fra.
Because me pesin wum pa.
Me ma sin toto. Me ma baby abeto odonyum. Because we are there.
Baby abeto odonyum. E di ama hwan?
E di ama the only be play part no. E bi kwa be me a.
Oh, okay. Na odonyum na bi te se ne na ope.
Oh, on say me pe odonyum bebre, me pe lumbanyum. And Emilia brobe enyum.
Ope Emilia nyum pa. Oh, okay.
Me pe nyum pa.
Emilia nyum because on say wa bobo bebre o. One Kwame Eugene. One Prince Bright will be. One Wendy Shane so e will be.
Ni nyum bia me pe.
Oh, okay. And sana be sorry mebo bia ma.
Mate.
And I think so ka so PKK for so nyum pa.
And Asiedu.
Hey,
that's my favorite.
And Asiedu no favorite.
Yes.
Amma watch me. Nyawan coming in walkway. Kumase amakom ube hunya me patre. Borga Silvia pe okopa. Borga Silvia pe okopa. Yabo rebu video benumu na ye didi nkomo a ye beba some other stars ma Borga mami en show kanina na mutwa movie no ense na mo nieme bia mimi nim sasa mama mo set so that nansen na say with the help of TikTok near the twetwa scenes bi near the se eba se movie mu play role bit to seven fancy kiss na real.
Oh, on say acting, you have to act it to make it look real. You can kiss someone real, but passionate no. Yes. On say me kiss you or movie more. A different from me kissing my partner.
Okay.
What I say, my partner, you know, I know why I'm kissing the person, and kissing you in a movie set, no, I know I'm working with you.
What's the difference?
Oh,
because the minimum says I know ya can know, and I oba ne bema. Affection be a mem.
There be now me co-worker. Na me no ye juma. Na me kisua. How could I get anything? I won't feel anything. And I even cry no. Yes, in that scene no cry no. Nya me no me no kwa na wo ho.
Ni page na ho no.
Director wo ho, assistant director wo ho, soundman wo ho, cameraman wo ho, continuity wo ho, obia wo ho.
Other colleagues no crown some work through no.
How could you feel something? Who can I do who per se who ye juma no. You are working to open it because be our person finish it this week in term. Now okay another set so you won't feel anything.
Oh, okay.
It's just unim so juma. You won't feel anything.
Na said na on na na must be pass some born and also na real na.
Oh, on say sound be our my sound no. Obet me a bow. But ain't on te yaw no.
More to say be obet yaw. Now on the sound.
On say the action no will show say me bono. But o drew close to you or better touch you. Not sound no affect no and makes it looks real. But it be o ha ya na obo ankasa.
Obi nye obi da sama.
Nana ma wayembi mercy cry so wayembi but Nana ma there was his mind accidentally na auto back.
Auto back. A different in some.
Yeah.
Anna,
me ma that was my first movie.
Okay.
Into auto no na senka me kwachi man kwachi na me gino. Me nim de na me say me first movie. E bore me hand na blood. Nti nyame chekra hu no moja eba na mo kate ye. Na me hu se moja. Ne me bi su mercy aso 419. Obo me chi ma me sui.
Usunye.
Pa. Yeah.
For real.
Me sui. Now obo me say na I wasn't expecting it. Ne ba ne me. Na me ni Djka ko out Djka ya apache.
Okay.
Enti na ompe mercy was or your mother or you greedy or pe se me worry sikani. Na me so me hu se me ma me yes an enti me so me pe se me ni Djka be ko because Djka obi a on minister. Enti me de Djka ba na ne boafu. Obo machi kese e ma me soon real.
Ba na usu na manfo nim se bia movie ni ntina.
Ba na me su pa nti me su wie na nyame chebe hagim no se ka fra Sandra.
And Messi then.
Oh, say and then like no I one shedder. One shedder so bo me ba a ball kese.
Oh, okay. Let's just say Tiasia, e to da na some more act here. Be utimi eye na real.
Yeah, someone say obi o ho talent no. Look at Messi Asiedu, McBrown. On some more act here. They go full out. Na
Messi crowd there me catch me won say in case bia kamene ne bia me ne ba ko sia act na se bia me kwa akoye ni kunu ana bia ne mpena eyi bi na aha bit ba bia obenya me abome de because or act ho na ya na e serious too much.
Okay, being an actress or
hene yire na make you.
Yeah, Messi do hene Messi. On say wo ye man ye roller. The movie ni ba be good, the ba be hit. Once we be near Juma, for into a so ye money ye real. Oh, bound say ye be or ha, we ye be accidentally not a co affect to be. But ye need Juma back on a ye. Send me to be a miss my boo be a man, I can't be suda. And hence ye be on the spot and no. There be a bear me, but later on there I'll be cool. Me find a personal and again see the panel.
Movie bit to say if you pony. Now you so genere.
Nay some moving on. Old soldier, Djka. Yeah.
But that title near a film pony.
No, I think it wasn't a film pony.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It wasn't a film. On soldier by and Sana, I think say.
Mean a baby fee, but forgot it. But
okay, film pony. But okay. Oh, okay. A quite how far so na we soja ni ire.
Yeah.
Na utimi hwim trophy soja ni ensam. Boga, in real life, when you're doing that, and I say, that said yes, be directly winning a man, not a mano, a bassa.
Many yedion, me calm.
Nessa way ata.
Me ata, me sat me na me kakra.
One away kakra.
Yeah.
And kakra phones when anameboa. On your own.
Me yo.
Kakra for any danger.
Me yes, me sister. Me sister know you cool, but on ye.
Omo kasano.
Yeah, omo na enye me ye esen no.
Oh, okay. I just say
I'm still thinking of that that movie.
I think that Titan in you. If you I think that me refi Titan e kakra. By any film pony any film pony I think say bibi
unyame
sumponi ampa unyame sumponi. Enu nti said also be G23 Djka nsam as an old soldier's wife. Na usi be more treaty wukunu because wukunu ye nipa bia na nipa nyina asuro no. Asa ma mukita tumi bi o.
On say the thing is say old soldier on say Ghana soldier for to me. Yeah. Enti no obia suro no na soldier ni bia enhye dan camera kakra. Enti Djka no di ni tumi ni old soldier tumi no say or this is if you for. And I say nipa so wukunu no ne de unim ni weak point. What I say unim wukunu weak point. Enti no na me de me nsuro no.
Oh, okay.
Because me de me na me kunu nti me ni weak point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enti na wutimi ne sa no.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. And I think one movie being so also his mind your first movie.
Yeah.
And a second one.
Second was Kumasi Yonko.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
But who acted perfect?
Because I had a good director and that time in the day na nyameche or good directors, good assistant directors sound in here you because now that time James Abuaje, now Mr. Chumesi was also
a director
as well at that time. You know, even though mo act no money na Abua in directing no, and that time no in said na mo like set so see back when I'm betting me trying to be 30 or your pa. Yeah. Say so making sure said it looks real. So
and I learned that time so set baby or na mo daho.
Yeah. But me na maintain that set too because na me cracker.
Okay.
It's not meet me akwa but na Kumasi Yonko ye twa bi wo Bantama outside a union I was Bantama and then inside compound no it was I think say a cropon. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In terms of cropon to ne
oh, Kumasi Yonko mucha bi wo Bantama.
Yeah, baby and me got him was Bantama outside. Got to be Bantama, yeah.
Oh, okay. Because some movie in there, I think say a besine nyina o fa some movie na.
Now, movie no.
Efe pa.
Nyame chen ye better ye be the same movie ye be redo again. The same
with the same crew na.
Yeah. E bia ne ye nyina ba.
Ba me so sana na ma de mo benya.
Yeah. Portia or Martha Joyce or
Djka or
yes, Djka or Mr. Chumesi or you benya most.
Wow.
I think say benya obi akra. Most
yeah. Because
na Hayford class room.
Benade disciple kusukra so I think say.
Yeah benya most benya cast niya. Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe I look skinny. To say before no ye mo you.
Oh by say Mercy wo ho.
Mercy wo ho.
Eno kra na we wom awoya.
Now we are nim. Asoriba na mom na ned. Ana Kumasi Yonko so. Me man first one kana minimo. First one kana Santo mu nyina wom.
Sir.
Yeah, me back Kumasi Yonko second and 3. Omutwa one no.
Kumasi Yonko Santo twa bi.
One no. Old one no. Part 1 no.
Oh, okay.
Me be try 2 and 3.
Oh, is season 4?
3.
Oh, okay.
Me ba 2 and 3 nim. Now I think say one they come trying a long time at the hole. Or my try man ba out. It's now things I'm on 4 pen to us no. and then nyamiche a second one there, you know.
Now, and on is it because na we are Borga and Tinia ma Borga rule na?
There be nyamiche unim the funny thing. Say first, you know. Now like nyamiche script be fans and about now omo audition omo audition. Enti onukra na first no munim se mintimi nye ne said me see here no into ojima my sister Cynthia you are to no say no who me the sister call set so to no say Sandra ma me script with my sister because me show sister obetimi aye like say do si pen no enti ya say audition no mo ye audition no na osaje script ne de ma me because there was I think my sister omo ye practice my sister car so I saw on person obey na nya me chesa age ma me back.
Oh, okay.
But on say first you know see your concert so obi aboa obi you know ebia yeah say yeah ebia ye rehearse about 5-10 minutes be ebia na ma see Sandra aya you way bia Messi aya you way we say yeah enti wo ye na wo akra so de wadwen eso be say me ye we be ye fe me ye we be ye kama yeah.
Wow. Ti na je say ekwan a efa so na me fa no be movie no I think say no the director I think also by now when wadwen say be movie accidentally enema o e ba be rare
we na ye back so na yo do no ano we back na yo
because obi a wo fra control ma ba unim se bi a wo ba no akọ e ba ne say na fe de wo be twa ba akọ pa fe de ehwa eto so say na move bi Obapa
yeah.
Obapa. Sa lady no ho. They not oka fancy no.
Maybe said yeah, I think so Holland say. Oh Holland, yeah.
But on the Wajai movie for now.
Movie they want to Jayo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then they are of when you hear one or two.
Over yeah. A horse so be our movie bibia. Obey because yeah me hun me nene chat or social media.
Oh, okay.
On Jai.
Oh,
movie don't to me Jai.
Golden time. Now mu collaboration. In fact, now I'm ready pa. And some movie no. Man na owo station hono. On say now
Mr.
Poku.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, I think say Nyameche papa you na se kwa me hu no. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Now only because eya na me pese me ti oldies no me pese me ti monka said you only na ma eye fine only a janso ye fine
papa they say jamini no nya akra the same name Edu
say me me
Edu odi Kofi me sad ye fia
Kofi Edu and also ye Efia Edu oh okay
me ye fine pa
into ba Ghana what nka
me buy me hu no ba me na akasa
yeah oh okay
on ya no be aye busy on the corner ye normal by kasa
wow on say Djka to hwa kakra ba you say with the help of YouTube no I think say was sign up in fact
TikTok crash so
as you say Djka no hwa TikTok mo pa
or the old movies ni go am it me hwe straight TikTok so ho pa
and then na me ko hwe your friend say wonya me so mponi
okay
and then na me ko hwe no now say wow in fact you guys were doing well back then
there was another movie many Jim pa
Obi Diaba
na ye
wo Messi Asiedu Porsche Asare na McBrown
na ye Asiedu Studio Utansa Ventures
yeah
na se me hu se wo de toto TikTok sa movie me hwesui me akra me hwesui
ye twawie ye no wo hwesui
and even on set so kwa na yes because ha Messi ti ya akola keto no
ba Messi Asiedu de ohene na se de obesi bi aye no wan hwe ho wo be ka say anhwe ama mi hia na djuma me di bebi no because
akola na ye ono ani onuaba o no ono na de akola ne ba set so
oh sa na akola no sun for real e wo movie no
papa osuma ye nyina obi asun ye
oh
because say Messi tia ne ma ne yem hye no nti ho ape no osu no shiki
ada na akola no refi say movie ana
oh say the Messi tia ne yem hye no na osu afi ne nyina obi asun
oh
say na osuma
etachimo
yes
why na e krom for no
McBrown McBrown.
And now also the any say yes it when you kunu.
That's it. To me not me pemuna.
Djka me kum nipo. Some movie no.
That movie is one of my favorite as well. Yeah, but it was good.
Also na ma wakunkum when we better when you kunu. Wow.
Oh yeah, I do. What movies in Nina?
Oh, na me the movies ne enyomo de. Movies ne enyomo de. All the family feature the NHS. Because then time na me pe movies ne pa.
Na futu.
Na futu wom na banso e wo mu pa. Bempa kwan be na fa so share bempa because wouldn't say na me hu bempa on TikTok. Na ha. E kwa me fa so me no di baby ano dey trend for am dey brand be ni na ono na mza no wa meka no so ono so ma meka wo enti me hwe se de no na mza ene ma me be pe na ti me akra na me kwa hete no ni inbox na me so me pe na asempa na so that me so se no is na no so e follow me enti free ho ti me san hu so san ben wo no na me san be pe na asem more cry me ni mo relatives ana
Bempa, you're very good person, very very good
and offer idea panzo
offer idea na no na din keke
and na no na din crown so no enye face to face on social media
say cameras in so be any ho na o ye gaga and so ni hu nye hu me makeup artist na down for ne Bempa
okay
but na me hu Bempa on social media na me follow no on so follow me until one day be na on makeup artist in the bed now the way I've been pressing you know or see like or treat him in
and now say in judge book with this cover
that's it this guy you're very good once I call Australia there's not every single day I've been pan from me yeah what to say no I send him the phone bedroom cross send him message or school and the phone bedroom and the be so be catching be or betty or so you be on social media Bempa because they say your teacher obey your teacher soon I'm saying say better karate later on social media I think behind here beat me you so against you for the rest of your life
video ne da hwa kopim se wi ase be say
from now no think about things you do on social media McBrown so the same thing since then I mean who said Bempa will be an argument
McBrown so down for no
pa
okay Brother Penny, me ba chomo fa Bempa ma me why pages for Bempa ma me no ocean Abrand no ho fe yi pa Bempa no Bempa na te say
Pacho me ho ye pa
ho ye
nyame adom
bibia boko
Pacho bibia boko pa
le nyame ase pa ufri kumase ya
Pacho me fri kumase
u related to sofo usu Bempa na
or say we trace in a background na it could be say we may be related because town I'm free and hona never free and we have similar name
usu
yeah
usu Bempa
maybe Osei Bempa but Isaac Osei Bempa and Isaac Usu Bempa
okay
yeah
into what share papa one on wonder
if I try on several occasions
sir only modin komo
if I try no krana me school no na ehweme schools this year
wow
ti me fa akonya isuna madana
wadana say to obakumasi bia na ohwehwew ukono ho ne ade ade
obakumasi bia obebi obeye event na meko yeah
na ehfo na ne how social media no ntinize na first number we
me type of person na say me pe obi asem na say obi kana I feel it
ya na ya
ya na me ya nti na ema me ye we social media no but na something personal yeah but say the me jai
right.
Still a blogger though.
Oh yeah. Because me who say or blogging and or blogging so a copa. Teacher me share the near man be pronounced with Instagram pa. Into Bempa me more official pa.
I think come at here.
All right, Borga. Also na me na mahawa. I think say I can't crave na woko.
Nyame had my enche.
We me become call for taxi. Cause I see more game go me and any and the beji and san okay. Borga Silvia, your favorite musician. Our Ghana and your world.
Ghana. Me too. Say your baba remember.
Okay. Be money
KK Fosu.
KK Fosu. Okay. And Obani.
You have to know Emilia Brobe. my sweetheart.
Emilia Broby. Emilia Crowa Hanonia.
Oh, London.
Oh, okay. That's all call yache.
Debut 1 year money.
Eh, so on 1 pound and Okoba.
Yeah.
But for now, I think
say and Kolani drew stage beer. Regardless what it is. It's on your time man kola.
Okay.
Being a parent.
One year pet. Ube dear Jumanechina, one internet and Colano Nedges.
Jumano, you can always come back. So that's what she's doing. She's taking care of her kid.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Borga Silvia. Bebacho, more munimono, Ebiana Unima Borga Silvia. Omuyenta for. I thought I post two picture and go for Brenazzi and a photo shoot.
Now, when him say, and my name is Sister Djka. Picture now the year flyer no. I'll send the Bremen. I don't know. Send now many so said you. Me say no. Me come be fraud. Say why you mistake. Why you see me sister picture nyamia? Now I'm sending come am sister. And I'm say gift you say Djka use you know so wani nyana.
Wa.
O ti hwenie. And I'm say there be nyamia. O ti hwenie. And and I'm say bracelet na da me nsa no. Me ni bi wo bi o say me otu na me ma ba. After me share and I'm say am pay me. Pictures ni be cry am get confused.
Boganti munyine no wait, this is just a funny question and me pese mu bisa. Mama dwum say bia mum play be ma bi da.
Oh deadbeat.
Mama dwum because o dey hwe me pa cho bra Facebook Kesben FM Kesben TV e wo Facebook say na ko hwe picture net da so no. Nyame anim ne e besinne o me ntimi identify. Yeah, picture me you know. Borga Silvia wa infa. Check me.
This one. They were short hair no. I mean, so that's my right and my left. So on any right no.
Me pa the nsada obi kon ho na na say
anade. The nsada obi kon no.
Ono ne Borga Silvia.
Yeah, that's what I see.
Borga watcha ho. Ya usama me foforo na me hwa de. Me pa cho ko Facebook, uko Facebook
Mani show.
And a way nso
Onye.
Oh, that be say
That's not me. Enyamia.
Oh, that we unlike Bakono. So that's what I see. You know, almost so identical.
Chese, ode wa show. Me ba cho ko.
Me dey see dey differentiate you.
Ko Facebook.
So if I see you,
ko Facebook. Ne ko sha de. Ko official Kesben FM Kesben TV Facebook. Ne ko she. Omo ye twins a chese.
Like the same skin tone,
the
same size,
the same height.
My God.
That's the only thing.
What? She's not here. She's not here to defend herself.
All right, Borga.
Yes.
Like, say the musibiti. Ya pages me show sample picture. Me pese me buga me bisa Borga semna. Biti say picture we see. It will be very that ya me pe ba ko no. Way. It will be very hard for me to tell say Borga wunie. By my main trying hard here.
Try
Edding. Edding.
The only year meet me anke. On say me what tattoo on me nice so. But me dey any Eden finfi on so dey any than 9 chain kitwa bi. It is over who tattoo.
Okay. Oh, I am who tattoo no. Oh, dey any down 9 so no. And no dey any than 9 chain.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But before no. Na me what dot to be on me ha. Me nose. But me nye makeup you can see the dot.
Okay.
But ono ni sa dot ni be on here.
Oh, okay. But picture no crowd u try it a dot ni show.
Kra ba say me onu gina ho no ma. O hwe no sa me or dot wa oni dot.
Borga Silvia.
Yes.
Borga nche na ye de ejumedie ni ye de ba awie. Something small for the industry players for Ejumana woman no dia 2024 me dia asem na obeka e de atre industry no yeah
Nyame enyo obia akoma so ade ma no afiwe ye remon the obia busa free nyamo nyamenye ma no and I believe say 2024 is something I hope the movie will come up say enye CD near you cry yenchangu YouTube na Ghana movie industry embra app.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do be catch no.
Yes. And happy new year to everyone.
Okay. Boga, so you ni. Boga sorry kakra. Ya fa Boga kakra. Hey, and Nana Gia. Course ne ba na ba ya kasi epeki amade ache e dey asem na wo ka dey ache wo fans ne ukolixia
me da obia se and once I kase obodin a obejebi hint no you know omun kipu and watch ye they say you ko TikTok me wo ho o type Sandra Edu I will come Borga Silvia ni nyina e wo ho
TikTok dini is Sandra Edu anasa Borga Silvia.
Yeah, it's the same. Ni nyina e wo ho. Obetimi follow me ho.
Okay.
I'm there every day. We ho every day.
Okay.
Yeah, and me chia obi
Instagram also yeah.
Instagram so me wo ho.
Borga Silvia na Sandra Edu na.
Sandra Edu Facebook I'm there.
Okay.
I don't do Twitter ani.
Okay, Djka. You don't do what?
I don't do Twitter.
You ready? Borga Silvia be come you bempa bro for ya so. The difference. Mommy Emma, happy birthday to you.